Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of our Naija podcast. My name is Gloria Zegar, and with me in the studio, I have the legendary Emmanuel Ehumadu. Welcome on the studio. And also, I have the very beautiful Uju. She's sitting here looking all pretty. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the studio.
I
Guys.
didn't get introduced though.
Hello, excuse
Why?
me. I'm still talking.
Okay, sorry.
Welcome to the studio, guys. It's so nice to have you.
Am I
you
not
look
welcome?
so beautiful. Can you stop shouting? Can you stop?
Why am I left out though?
No, you're
Like
not
I'm
left
part
out.
of the podcast
But
though.
let me introduce.
You're already
this
welcoming
wonderful
them
guest.
already. But
Yes,
why am I
have
not
to.
welcome with them?
Okay, you know what? Shouting. Introduce yourself. I'm not even.
co-host?
Exactly.
But
Shouting.
she's supposed to introduce me. I wonder why she's
No
welcoming you.
way. I'm not introducing you.
Oh wow.
Exactly. I'm not introducing you, Charlton.
Oh okay.
So back to what I was saying, guys.
Okay.
Welcome in the studio, these legends. You know, we've watched them all through our lives, and they've been a blessing. They've changed our lives in so many ways. I watched him growing up, and I'm so honored to be sitting here on this couch with our own very legend, Emmanuel Humadu. Welcome in the studio.
Thank you, Glory.
Uju, thank you for being here. You look so pretty. And you look gorgeous.
Oh Labista, why they go ahead to praise themselves like stand women supporting women?
Yeah,
I must give it to you though. You are one of the niggas that kept it real all growing up. Like you were one of the reasons why Nollywood felt real. You get me? Like I wanted to see the things you do because you gave us that bad boy look on TV. So I looked up to you to be a bad boy because I'm a bad boy though. But I looked up to you to being a bad boy. Yeah, I guess I learned a lot from being a bad boy from you.
When you say that you look up to me to be a bad boy, then I start to wonder who is really a bad boy.
Right.
No, a bad boy is not necessarily someone that does bad things. A bad boy is someone that looks up to a good mentor and learns both the negative and the positive.
The good, the bad, and the
Good,
Ugly.
good. You understand? You pick everything and you ascertain which is the right one for you moving forward. You understand? So I learned everything. I only apply the right things going forward, and I thank you for that. So it's an honor having you here, bro.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah.
Let him talk to me, bro. Don't do well. Let him talk to me, though.
Okay.
Okay.
That's fine. Sorry.
I wanted to say something.
Yes, bros.
Oftentimes when I meet people, when they say that I inspired them, while they watch me,
Yeah.
I began to wonder how was I able to do that? And then one time I met someone and he said to me that he joined a cult because of me.
What?
I didn't do that, though.
What?
I
You
never did
understand?
that.
So that's why I'm always particular about when somebody said I inspired him. I want to know where you're coming from.
From,
because
yeah.
I know that someone also told me that he joined the military because of me. Someone said that he joined the police because of me.
That's good.
I was a
That's
fool
good.
I was a fool for love because of you.
Shouting, please.
I'm being honest.
Shouting.
So that's it.
No.
You don't get it's few, but there's one in particular that got to me. Like, how can this bad guy? How can this? You understand?
I get that.
How can this?
I get
How can the real G
I get that.
love
Yeah.
a girl this much though?
Yeah.
Like,
That's
but
what's up.
I learned that from you, and I began to put in
Well,
my all in all relationships.
Shouting.
Understand?
Shouting.
Bad boys, do they love? I don't think.
Yeah, we do.
No, but they do.
Yeah, we do. See, we are the best. God bless you.
But that's
The
not
Chris-
why we're in the studio today.
Okay.
I came
Oh,
to the
sorry.
studio with a very, very important topic that I want us to discuss.
Oh, wow.
Since we already have the legend here.
Mm-hmm.
And a very beautiful Uju. So today, let's discuss monetizing relationships.
Woof.
Yes. It's becoming a norm.
Oof. I love
Yes,
that. I love
monetizing
that.
relationship
I
in-
love that.
In Nigeria, in whatever part of the world that you are, like, let's just talk about it. Because it's becoming a norm that people get into relationship because they want to, because they are broke. They say that girls get into relationship because we are broken, but that's not true. I don't think that's true.
I don't think so.
Yes, I don't think that's true,
I don't
but
think
that's
so.
what they say.
Okay, let me pick it up from there.
Okay.
Okay, for me,
Mm-hmm.
every person that goes into a relationship
Yeah.
goes into a relationship for one reason or the
Or
other.
the other, yes.
It's just left for you to actually fashion what you are there for.
Exactly.
And it's good to be defined from the onset.
Yes.
When
yes.
you don't define that, that's when you have a problem. With your relationship.
Yes, you're right. You're right.
Yeah.
Jehovah.
Gyrate.
You're seeing it now. See, bro,
but-
boss,
but she's right.
there's something
So you're right.
I would want you to understand firmly before we even dive into this topic fully.
Okay.
yeah? There's a concept I'm used to, and I got used to it during this full podcast, and it's a simple concept, rather. Women supporting women.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do not forget that concept. Because you are going to see it one way or the other.
Because immediately she said that.
No, but it's the truth.
Immediately she
No, but
said
it's the truth.
that.
She was not lying. There was no
Okay.
lie, no lie detector.
Can I say
There was
something?
yeah, but it's the truth.
Can I say something? Yeah.
Supporting women.
Yes.
Relationship being monetized. Firstly, it's important to understand that monetizing a friendship does not necessarily mean exploiting or manipulating the other person.
Okay.
Instead, it involves finding ways to turn the resources.
reading?
Hold on, I wrote something down for this topic
Oh,
alone.
really?
Yeah, because it's a good topic for me, though.
Okay.
It involves finding the ways to turn resources, connection, and expertise of your friends into tangible value that you can actually exchange for money.
Okay.
That is the concept of monetizing friendship and
Friendship and
relationship.
relationship.
But here's my point now. This
Okay.
what I just said now is basically a general conception
Of
about
monetizing
monetizing friendship.
relationship.
Not this is not even relationship. This is a friendship.
Okay.
Now monetizing relationships. As much as this is so good that when I read it for the first time, I felt like, okay, this is a genuine definition of what monetizing relationships are. On second thought, what I just read now has nothing to do with how monetizing relationships is all about.
But can
In
I
our
say something?
society today.
Yes,
But can I?
because
In our society
before you say
today.
anything, yeah, in our society today, relationships are more transactional than they are being relationship that it is.
So okay.
You know, let
Okay.
me say something here. Yeah?
Okay.
I truly and really have a problem with our society today, especially when it has to do with a topic like this.
True.
We have to be very careful what we put out there because
Yes.
okay, this is a podcast
A
session,
podcast,
and
yes.
a whole lot of people are going to see this and are going to watch this. You have to be careful what you put out to them. I have a problem with your generation.
This is the Indomie generation we're talking about.
You know, I have a problem with your generation. You see, people born in 90s, especially girls.
Okay.
You know,
I'm going to defend them, though,
No,
but-
let me finish.
Okay. All right.
They almost don't have value for certain naturality. Things that are meant to be natural has been completely monetized.
My brother.
Things like can I ask?
My
Things like
brother.
what? Things like what?
Yes, I was going to ask
Hello?
things like words.
Because I have a lot to say.
Oh
Me too.
wow.
I
Yes.
do.
Because
Yes.
if we do not have that going, then we
Okay.
should not be talking about it.
True.
Yes.
True.
Monetizing relationship.
But
I mean, like,
But is there
But
is
boss,
there anything
boss,
like
listen, I'm going to call you. Sorry, pardon me to call you, call you
feel
boss
free,
or
feel free,
legend
yeah.
all through the
It's okay,
podcast.
it's okay, it's okay.
Legend, I am not conversant with how it was swaying women during your time. During my time, I know how it is to sway a woman. You understand? You don't need to have much. All you need to have is the confidence
okay? So how
to
about
walk
now?
up. Hold on, don't rush me though.
I need to.
All you need to do is to have
Okay.
the confidence to walk up to any lady you like and tell her how you feel. You understand? And make your moves like a man would,
Okay.
and you get what you want. But these days, it's more transactional than it is.
wow.
But,
I don't
Can I
you get-
come in?
Yeah, please, you're allowed to. That's why we're on the podcast.
No, okay, just hold on.
Did you knock?
yeah, yeah, she did.
Come in.
Yeah,
Okay, you said you have a problem with their generation.
my generation. That's
no,
what.
no,
Yes.
not yours. Hers.
My-
How about house? I still have house. I still have problem with house though.
Her generation started it.
They-
And then
Ah, wait,
her
wait.
generation
But-
remixed it.
The problem is that the problem started from her generation,
Yes.
and
Passed it on to
from
her.
her generation, I blame the guys.
We'll get to that.
We'll get to that. I blame the guys for that.
Where I have a problem with guys,
Yeah.
Yeah.
if I can't remember vividly well, if you're talking about monetizing a relationship here,
Yeah.
is the guy single or married?
Exactly. Yes.
Single.
That's a
Single guy.
single guy.
Yeah.
I don't
Let's
think
start with
so.
no.
Let's-
Let's start with the single guy.
Let's start with single guys. We'll go to the married guys.
Let's go- let's not go
Good.
You
married.
can't tell me you don't have
No,
a
let's
single
not-
guy
let's not
asking
go
you out.
married.
No.
Hold on. Okay. For the single guy,
Yes.
I don't think most reasonable girls will actually monetize their relationship.
That means a lot of girls are unreasonable
Exactly.
these days.
God
That
bless
means
you.
a lot
You
of
know
girls-
why? You know
Are
why?
unreasonable.
You know
If you are
why?
saying that.
You know
I
why
don't-
they are unreasonable?
Why?
Oh, they are.
Most
No,
of
no,
them
no,
are.
we didn't say all of them, but
Yeah,
yes,
most
some
of them,
are.
even guys, most
Yes,
of them
yes,
are unreasonable.
yes.
Because first and foremost, most of them will come to you and say, "Ah, girl, I like you," blah blah blue blah blah. Meanwhile,
Did you just say Baba Blue?
yeah, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
Most of them will say that, "Okay, hi girl, I like you,"
Yeah.
not knowing that they are married.
Exactly.
They will never tell
yes,
you
they won't
that
tell
they are
you.
married.
Exactly.
Until you get into the relationship, some of them will not even tell you that, okay, I have a child. I have a child. I have two. They will not explain those things from the time you guys met.
Yeah. Right.
Probably
I
you
agree
will
with
find
you.
out maybe when you are already committed in the relationship.
Yes.
Which doesn't go well with a lot of
But what you're
girls.
saying is different from what we're saying.
But wait, but can
That
I?
is
Legend,
that
legend.
is where
I wanted to
monetizing-
say something.
Can I-
Yeah.
can I say
Like
some-
what she said now is so understandable, but it has nothing to do with
Okay, but can I
monetizing
say something?
relationship.
Can I say
What you're
something?
saying.
Allow me to
Okay,
land.
okay.
Allow me to land. Okay, what I'm saying.
There's
most-
no foam on the ground, though.
You break your back.
You go carry me go. Right?
No
You go
ma,
carry
no
me.
ma.
You know
Oh, well, who dey check out?
As I was saying, if you don't describe these things from time, that's when you have issues in your relationship.
Right.
And most guys, for me, I don't think monetizing a relationship is a problem.
Wow.
Oh yes,
And that's the
Same
problem
here.
right there.
I
Same
know.
here, I don't.
You have that, you have
Same
that
here,
as
I
a problem.
don't.
I don't.
That's the problem
I
right there.
don't.
If
I
you
don't
if
have
you
that.
if you actually don't see monetizing relationship as a problem, I think that's the major problem.
So
here.
what do you,
Wait,
what,
can I-
what do you have to
what can
say
I
when
say?
a guy meets a girl for the first time and they want to lay down immediately
Now-
with the
Wait,
girl?
can
Oh, hold on.
say
Can I say
something?
can I come in?
Please,
Can I come in?
something?
Legend, can I say something
can I
here?
say
Can I
something?
answer that question before you say something
Okay,
here?
please.
She asked the question that what will happen if a guy comes to you and lays his opinion out there that he wants you, you understand, and he uses money to sway you. You get me?
How
quick
do you
one.
use his money to sway?
He uses money because see that's the easiest way of getting a girl right now.
Okay.
Uh-uh.
Oh, is
Every,
that
listen
another
to me.
way?
Listen,
But wait,
listen to
with
me, yeah.
Charlton,
Hold on,
is
hold
there
on, hold on,
another
hold on.
way?
Can I say something,
Is
yeah?
there another
Can I
way?
say something, yeah?
Yes, please.
Most girls.
Is there another way?
Yes, I want to know,
Listen,
is there
listen,
another
eh?
way?
Most girls.
Aside from but wait.
generation.
No, but
Body.
no.
Ose,
but wait.
can I
wait.
say something?
No, I need to really ask this question.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Is there
Let's hear.
another way to sway a girl?
Yes, there is.
Please tell me. I want
Now,
to know.
yeah.
What about the
You guys.
What am I doing with
Can,
with
hold on,
cares about
boss.
what
Listen,
about
listen,
you?
yeah. See,
I hear that
listen,
every
yeah.
day.
You guys would actually not opt for the other reason.
What other reason?
You would not opt for the other reason. I'm
We're
saying.
going on a date. we're
Hold
spending
on now,
money.
yo.
We're going on a date. We are spending money.
Is that what you?
can't
Is
be-
that what you? Is that what you count?
Yes.
Is that what you count
No,
as
wait.
monetizing
No,
relationships?
wait, hold on.
No,
hold on, wait.
don't,
Wait,
don't,
I'm
do
going-
not.
I'm
Before you
heading
say anything,
somewhere.
Ose, before you say
Charlton,
anything,
Charlton,
do
no,
not
you have to
confuse.
listen to me.
Listen to me.
No, you have to
Do
listen to me
not
on this one. No,
confuse
you listen to me.
what a guy's
No,
duty
wait. I need
is
to
in
know,
a
is there
relationship
another way for
with
you to know a girl without
monetizing
spending
relationships.
money?
My neck
I
is
want to
doing
know.
like this.
No, but because I've been holding
Wait,
it for
Okay, say
Charlie,
something.
Hold on, I want to hear you.
I want to hear you
Okay,
too.
is there another way to sway? I mean, like to woo a girl?
Yes, there is.
Is that a
without
question?
money?
Yes, there
Can
is.
I answer you?
Yes, there is.
Cool. What makes you think that monetizing money is the only way to swing a girl?
There's so many other reasons.
Guys
Hold
these
on,
days don't even
hold
have
on, hold
anything to
on.
offer aside from money.
Hold on. No, not say
No, but
that.
guys, no, but
maybe
guys,
that's the
I'm
kind
not
of guys
saying,
you meet.
I'm not saying all guys, but I'm saying
wait,
some.
Wait,
Okay,
let me answer your question.
okay, please.
Maybe I should take you. I should take you like down in memory lane, like back in the days,
Okay.
like in my own days, and
Based on the
like in
bad
my
guy you
secondary
are.
school days,
Yeah.
yo,
You used to write
we
letters and
never,
Don't get it.
never did money.
Baby,
please.
I
Nothing
love
like
you.
money, bro.
Okay, listen.
Okay.
I want to give you guys. A practical example or a real life example. Something that happened to me. Yeah.
Okay.
Back in the days, long time ago, in my secondary school days. Yeah. Then we used to travel by train.
Okay.
This train that is being brought back now.
Yeah.
We used to travel by train then.
Yeah.
So I was going to Jos from Omaya. And then usually the train stations, people are always choked up after the Christmas celebration. Then we'll go to the train station to go back to our bases. Now, while at the train station, the train arrived at the Omaya train station, and then everywhere was so choked up. I was trying to get into the train from the door. It was choked. Then I went through the window. While I stuck my head in there, and then the guys were pushing me out. While the guys were pushing me out, one girl was pushing me in.
Okay.
Was pushing me
That's true
in.
love right there.
Then at the end of the day, the guys succeeded. As the guys were trying
Yeah,
to
that's
push me,
true
she
love
was
right
hitting
there.
their hands. Leave me alone.
That's true love right there.
And then she finally drew me into the train. And then, I came into the train. Eventually, we all had our seats. And we traveled from Omaya to all the way
Jos.
to Jos.
Yeah.
Like in 24 hours. We got to Jos. We took the same taxi. We dropped off at her place first and then at mine. That way, I got to know where she stayed. And that was how our relationship kicked off.
Okay.
After a couple of days together in Jos, sweet talk things. We're nice. We're in love with each other. Sweet talk. In the evenings, we'll take a walk, take a stroll around town Jos. Do you understand?
I
That's the
didn't
truth.
I don't
Do you
know what is
understand?
wrong with
And then
Charlton.
we'll just buy suya here, masa there, and then we eat along the road. If
Okay.
I chook a chop, I chook a put for our mouth. We'll just
That's
walk
love
along
right
the
there.
street. I didn't have a car. I didn't have money. I was just in my early secondary school.
That's
days.
true love, bro.
That's
Can
you
I
said
say-
secondary school, right?
Yes.
That's true
When
love,
I
bro.
finally went back because I was in a boarding school. Then when I left to my boarding school, I always write her letters. She replies me with letters.
That was secondary
Do you
school.
know when we used to write letter with detail?
Aww.
Detail. When
Normally,
you
boss.
write,
Normally,
No, but that's
when you don't read this part,
No.
the girls, then they're supposed to shout, but as long as say money no dey for that envelope, they shout, let him land, because they won't know that money fall out or not. If money not fall out,
So I go be outside the
You know that you were saying that in secondary school.
Yes.
Me and this girl's relationship lasted for 10 years.
real?
Oh, that's so
10
cute.
years. For
That's
real.
cute.
We
Wow.
stopped seeing each other immediately she got married, because usually the ladies will get married earlier
before the
than
guys, true.
And
I
when
keep
she got
telling you
married,
that.
That was when we stopped seeing each other.
Okay, so my okay.
Can I talk? Can I?
But you
Yes,
guys,
yes.
still haven't let me say something though.
Okay.
I just want you to know that there was no monetization in that.
It was
relationship.
secondary
True.
school.
From secondary to senior level.
But can I, before you say
But
can I
as
say
well,
something
as
before you come in?
time, but as
Let
time
me
goes
say
on,
something
but as
before-
time
let me
goes
just
on,
say
you were
one thing.
like
Yeah?
you were.
What I wanted to say was basically,
was what?
hey, Ose, what I wanted to say was basically based on what she said earlier. You
Okay.
understand? About how relationships, how what guys come at. Like, if guys come at you now, they are not coming to show you that they like you. They are coming with the sense that, oh, I have money. I have money to take care of you.
Like you said,
But these
You
days,
get me?
but
Yeah,
these
yeah,
days
you
that's
don't get
how
me?
it is. These days
But
that's how it is
but
these days.
but here's my point here, yeah. If we are looking at it, if we're looking at it that way, yeah. If we're looking at it that way, you guys are actually trying to tell us here on live podcast that you ladies have a price tag on yourselves.
Okay.
No, wait.
Hold on, I'm still saying something here. You're obviously telling us you have a price tag. From what I knew growing up, monetizing relationships was far from it. All you needed to do was be a guy that shows confidence, be a guy that has
that knows what you
potential,
want.
be a guy that has ambition. To an extent that even our parents back then would advise us, don't go for a woman you love, rather go for a woman that loves you.
Okay.
Because to an extent that passes a strange point.
Okay.
Meaning going after someone that loves you eases the pain of bothering about what she's doing, who she's with, and what is happening with her. When she loves you, you are rest assured that
She's with you.
she's with you. You get me, Jack? So the point about relationship being monetized these days now is that on my phone, for example, now this is my personal opinion, yeah?
Yeah.
I cannot pick this phone up and probably make a status or make a post online and state how good God is for me. We are having at least 4 or 5 girls trying to reach out in form of being happy for you that you're doing good, but give that conversation 5 minutes.
It go change.
Give that conversation 10 minutes.
It go change.
It's gonna change on you.
It go change.
Now, these are girls that I personally don't have any sexual interest in. But it doesn't matter. Because right now, even being friends with a girl means you are open to billing as soon as possible.
Okay, can I come in?
Yes, please.
Please come in.
Yes, please.
Knock again.
Yes, come in.
I'll come to you, Labista,
Please come to me
back
too.
in the days
Wow.
when you talked about, you can describe that as love at the foresight. When you met a man or a woman back in the days, you genuinely feel something for the person. Maybe because of the person's appearance, because of what you see or whatever, or the confidence the person has.
Yeah.
And writing a lady back in the days, expressing your love for her,
Yeah.
means a whole lot for a lady. But these days now, you meet a girl, guys will be like, hey babe, what's up? I'm good. You tell them, they'll be like, okay.
Send your answer.
Exactly, that's what I'm
Say
saying.
that I never reach now. Calm down. Why you they worry? You too worried.
You got a question in now. Send your answer.
Take 5 minutes.
I swear, send your answer.
Everybody,
It's
a lie.
5 minutes.
It's
If you
a
get 1 year,
lie.
I'll send you answer.
No,
See,
but no.
My brother,
Every lady
have the sweetest mouth in this life.
Hold on.
No,
Right
Charlton,
now-
that's not true.
Right
Charlton,
now-
that's not
It's
true.
not true.
Charlton,
Ose,
that's not true. No,
are you
that's not
really
true.
saying this?
No, that's not
Charles?
true. For real.
Are you really saying
For
this?
real, that's not true.
In every
That's not true.
100,
Yes.
there is one which
Exactly.
is exception.
Woo!
It's applicable to men and women.
Women, yes.
So don't make it look as if it's just ladies.
Exactly.
My bad.
Exactly.
What do you mean by it's
Exactly.
applicable to
No, boss,
let me tell you.
exactly,
Let me-
exactly applicable to men and women.
Let me
I
tell
come
you
I
what
come
I
in the
say.
sense
Because I
that
feel like you guys are trying
before
to
hold on,
Wait,
sorry.
let me say-
Let me-
You guys
It's
have been
not just
talking.
the
You don't
women.
allow me to
Sorry.
explain
Please,
where
go
I'm
ahead,
coming
please.
from.
Explain, please.
Good. You've said it that women monetize their relationship. Why is it that men, when they first approach or
Transactional.
when you first meet a woman, your first impression
Exactly.
is, this girl goes sweet for bed, though.
Right.
Norma.
Thank you.
What else?
Thank
What
you.
else do you want? What else do you want us to
Exactly.
think
So
about?
why is it wrong when it
What
comes
else do you
Nice.
hold on?
Nice.
What else do you want us to think about when all you show us
So
is
why
your
would
ass
you
and
allow
boobs?
us to think about money?
Exactly.
I'm not showing you I have money though. I'm not showing you I have money though. I'm not showing you I have money.
Charlton,
People-
can I
Wait,
say
wait,
something?
okay,
Can I say
okay.
something?
Go ahead.
I said something earlier where I said that for a girl to be asking a guy for money, you have said that you want to sleep with her. You have said something like, I want to do this. Because I don't know. I'm just saying, I mean, like, I'm just trying to put myself in their shoes. Because if a guy collects my number and you're not talking towards that direction, I don't know why I should be in, like, I should be in distress.
Ose, you are
and be
complicating
calling
yourself.
you. No, wait, shouting.
You are
I'm
complicating
trying to
yourself.
make a point. Can I finish?
Go
I
ahead.
don't know why I should be in distress and I'll call you. It's because you've been telling her things like, oh, I like your body. I want to have sex with you. That's why some people think they have the audacity to ask you for money.
I don't think so. Let
Quick
me come
question.
in there. Let me come
Okay,
in there.
please.
I'm a woman. And being
Do you
a
just
beau-
meet a guy? Do you just meet a guy and just think that, oh, you want to ask him for
No.
money? Exactly. That's
for
what I'm
me,
saying.
For me as a woman, yeah, I used to say that whatever I will say is the experience I have had in the past.
Okay.
And being a beautiful woman in Nigeria, let me use that word.
Skirt.
Being a beautiful woman
Yeah.
in Nigeria
I love that.
is actually a problem.
It is.
Oh, yes,
Yes,
my
it
darling.
is. I
It is
promise
a
you
problem.
it is.
It's hard.
But it is.
Why I say
It
that?
is.
Whatever
The only
I say,
the
I
only
will tell
problem
you
the
reason
only
as to-
problem
when they say
the
now
only
man they do
problem
man,
hold
you
on
know
hold
when
on
it's
hold
now
on
man they do
hey
man.
hey
A guy
Ose
would know-
Ose hold
a
on
guy would know
Ose
that.
Ose hold on
Okay, fine.
the only problem I see in that I don't see that as a big problem. The only problem I see in that is that most times guys would rather have you as a trophy girlfriend than an actual girlfriend.
What do
That's
you
the
mean?
only problem in it. Honestly speaking, listen to me, yeah.
You are not living in
Hold
this
on,
world,
hold on,
yeah.
hold on. Do you know what?
Listen to me.
Do you know what a trophy girlfriend is?
When the guy talks to you,
Listen,
when the guy
listen.
talks to you first,
Ose,
yeah, he's trying
Ose,
to.
do you know what a trophy girlfriend is? Yeah, I don't love you. I like you. I like how you look. I like your body. I want you to myself.
Okay.
You get me? I'm gonna put you out there. Now, I might probably even be in a serious relationship or even be married, but because I want to flaunt you out, I like how you look. You look better than my wife. I want to flaunt you
Does that
out.
even make any sense?
It
though?
does.
It doesn't make any sense.
It does.
No, it doesn't.
You think it
And
doesn't,
then
but
you
it
guys
does.
will not
Hold on.
lie.
Hold on.
You will not lie.
I'm
Hey,
saying-
I
It doesn't
never
make. It doesn't make
married
any
you.
sense to
I'm
me.
single.
Are you having a problem
I
with?
like
Wait,
you.
hold
No,
on.
it doesn't
Me-
make it
you know,
doesn't make any
Uju,
sense.
Uju,
What
I'm having.
it doesn't.
We're complicated.
Just that's what I'm saying. Uju, I'm getting two. I'm getting 2 points from Uju. One is being this monetizing a relationship, and two, being involved with married men. These are two different. These are two different topics.
That's why I said
These are
we're
two
complicating this
different
issue.
topics.
Listen here. Listen here. We're talking about monetizing relationship, which means for every guy you meet,
You want something
all you
out of
think
it.
about is the money you can extract.
Yes.
But who does
All
that?
you think about is
What you
can
get from the
him,
relationship,
especially
and not what is this
financial
relationship
gain
is heading
from
to.
him.
But
Hold
rather,
on,
how
hold
can
on.
you benefit from this
Hold on,
relationship?
Charlton, wait.
Listen here.
Okay.
Listen, right?
When everybody
For,
talking, nobody
this is especially to the singles,
Sure.
right?
Yeah, I think so.
Because the moment you take this thing to the married men section, it becomes different. Yeah,
Yeah.
You're not even supposed to. In the first place, you're not supposed to have a relationship with
With the married man.
Good.
Yeah.
And if you are to have a relationship with a married man, then
You
there
have
should
to
be
be-
a benefit.
Yes.
There should be
Definitely.
a benefit
Yeah.
attached
Yeah.
to it.
Yeah.
I say that and I agree to that. But when you are a single girl and you meet a single
guy.
man or a single guy and he's asking you out or he
Yes,
wants to take you on a date,
Try to take it serious.
see, when you will not say these generation girls, their head know the house, that when you see them, they talk on their own.
Hey!
When they sit down on their own, only them just there by themselves, they talk about the guy they just met.
Hey!
This guy walked up to me and started to ask me out how we should go for a date. He never even asked for my answer.
I know one girl
He
called.
never even asked
I
for
know
my
one girl
answer.
called Osas. I know one girl
That's what
called
I'm talking
Osas.
about. You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah, no.
Osas.
They start
Okay.
to make
Ah.
it look like you have to ask for, you have to show some financial commitment before they can be attracted to
No,
you.
but I think they think that way because they want to be sure that you are
Shut up!
financially
What? Excuse
secured.
me. See,
Do you
there
get me?
is no connection.
Was your
Listen,
was your dad sure
hold on, I want to
about
say
his
this.
mom?
I want to say this.
What-
Yeah.
what did you say? What did you
Listen
say
to me.
again? Come
Listen
again.
to me.
Come
Hold.
again.
Wait. I want to say this to you. Between Amo and Otu is colloquial. For those of you that know
What's
Igbo, you
Amo
don't
and
understand. That's why I say it's colloquial. If you don't
Manu
understand
and
Igbo, you
Otu.
may not
Forget
understand
it.
it. When God created these two things, there was no ego in between.
True that. True that.
There was no ego in between.
100.
It was solidly for enjoyment purpose. At the end of the enjoyment, there will be creative purpose. You gotta go.
Ah, legend.
Swim
God
around
bless you.
So that you can have your children, your offsprings.
Okay.
Bring out things
Eh.
from it. But
No,
hold on, no.
English,
Hold on,
please.
no.
English, please. Because I don't understand what you're saying. If you want to insult me in English. I want to know what you call me. If you're calling me stupid, let me know you're calling me stupid. No, what's that mean?
No, but wait, but wait.
From on my floor.
Labista is
Let
going
me laugh,
somewhere.
let me
please.
laugh.
Sorry,
Let's
Labista,
go.
please.
I just want to laugh.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
In case I crack my
Don't-
back.
don't
so I
crack
know
your
what
back.
I'm landing
There's
on.
no form here.
So basically, what I'm saying is
Yeah.
that without those finances, relationship has become useless
True.
to this modern generation.
Oh my God, preach
They have
on,
made it look like if you don't have money, don't talk to me.
preach on, bro.
See, it has, we did TikTok, we did Instagram, we did Facebook, we did everywhere. We did sweaty girls.
They said it today.
What did they advertise?
They said it today on this studio.
What
This
is
girl
that?
said it today. This girl,
Charlton,
this
stop
one,
it.
she
Charlton,
close to you,
stop it.
said it today
Charlton, stop it.
that if you
Charlton.
don't have money, don't come close to me. She
Okay.
said it so.
Charlton,
Oh.
no, wait.
She said
Charlton,
it.
No,
Glory.
don't
She
make
said
Charlton,
it.
Charlton,
Gloria
Charlton.
said it, buddy.
Glory.
She said it. that if you don't have money,
Charlton,
don't
that's not how
come
that
anywhere close to me.
conversation
Because
works.
I am high maintenance. In her words, I am high maintenance.
Maintenance.
That's what she said.
Mary!
Now, can I say something
Hey.
about that?
Charlton,
Wait now.
Charlton,
Baby,
you're
can I say
setting me
something?
up. Yes,
Sorry,
please.
Okay. One thing with guys is they say cut your coat
According to your size. Yes,
I know they
tell
understand that
them.
language.
Tell them.
That is why you guys are
What
having a
size
problem.
is she? What size? What size?
Can you
Hold on.
go?
No, exactly.
Legend. 1 minute. Can I come in? Can I come in? Can I come in?
Wait.
You go look at
Exactly.
Hello.
Thank you.
Boss.
Thank you.
Now, listen that you're saying. That's why single men don't have access to girls like this. Married men.
Hey,
don't.
boss.
Boss,
You
can I
hustle
come in?
for money.
Can I say something, yeah?
They should go and hustle for money.
Yes.
Back to what she just
Work-
said now, eh?
Work,
They
please.
should go and
Work,
hustle for
please.
money.
Work,
Sorry.
For
please.
me,
Would you?
hold on.
Sorry.
Yes.
When
Would you
growing
please go
up
ahead?
back in the days of our fathers,
Tell them.
they know they put girl first.
Thank you.
I know they understand.
What did they put first?
They put their hustle and their
Thank
future
you.
first.
Yes.
But we
My
still
dad was
do
already
that.
on play
You
before you
don't
ever
do
come.
that.
Yes,
When are
tell
you going
Would
them.
you they play?
Tell them.
See, would you they play?
You there, why?
Would you they play?
No, but wait.
We they play majorly. See, you know why? You know why I talk so, eh? You cannot come
You
here.
never feast yourself. You never feast
Thank
your family.
you.
You are looking out for a
Thank
girl.
you.
You never say girl now money.
No money.
Why? Money
From
why?
head to toe.
Boss,
Then the girl is
legend.
money.
Can I respond?
You when
Can
they
I?
talk
Oh,
this
please,
itself,
please.
you
Let
dey-
me answer to her, please.
Don't you
Boss,
know that
can I
they're
answer
whining?
to her? Can I answer her?
Okay, wait,
Yeah.
I want
Back
your
to
dad.
what you just
You
said.
don't go clear the-
Ojo, please. I want to answer you.
Charlton, no, wait, let her.
You are feeling fly, eh?
Let her
Charles,
land,
wait.
please.
As
Yeah.
I dey so,
Charlton.
you look me finish.
Yeah.
You look me finish. Come approach me. You know say you no get money.
Tell
I be
them.
your mate.
I get money
We dey
though.
the same class.
Tell them.
How you want to maintain me?
Okay.
Yes.
Can I answer? Hold on. Could you can I? Oju, can I answer you?
Can't you build a
Oju.
relationship with that?
Where I have a problem with guys is not being able to function your level.
Thank you.
Maintain
What
your
you-
level.
what
If
is
you
it?
don't say woman,
Relationship.
no. If you meet a girl,
Boss, can I say? I want to say something, please.
we in this country we fail to face the truth.
Yes.
Okay.
That is what is keeping
So,
us
Uju,
where we are.
Uju.
When you look at a girl from
Thank
the
you.
onset,
Yeah.
you will
Uju.
know whether she did your level,
Level or
Or
not.
not.
You know your,
Very
every
good.
clothes
Period.
yes, side.
Uju.
Yes.
You bath. Don't collect your clothes where you bath.
Okay, Uju. Okay, Uju.
Okay.
Uju.
Just go ahead.
I understand everything you said. Eh? Every man supposed cut in coats.
According to your
According to
size.
your size.
Yes.
Superb.
Where woman dey, ba?
Wait on,
Yes,
wait now,
so,
boss.
For where women.
Hold
Yes.
on. Now, I want to make a
get-
point.
go
I want to make a
please.
point to you. Yes, sir.
Please.
I said something earlier that my parents have this saying when it comes to relationship. Always make sure, for me as a guy, follow a woman that loves you.
My
Don't
mama
go.
say-
Hold on.
my
Hold on.
mama say,
Can I say?
follow a man
Hold
that
on.
loves
Can
you.
I say
So
something?
you see?
Land.
Follow a woman that loves you, but don't follow a woman you love. Now, back to the question you asked, why do we men push for this thing? Now, there are downsides for women on what you just said than it is for men. You get me?
It's both
Now,
ways.
hold on now.
Yeah.
Let me make an illustration now, Uju. As you are now, you have 1,000 contacts on your phone. Out of 1,000 contacts on your phone, 500, which is half of your contacts, are male.
Definitely.
500 are male. You saw me.
That's why I said
Hold
if
on,
you be
yeah.
for Nigeria,
Listen,
you there for trouble.
listen,
You know
listen.
hear them before.
No,
You get more than 500
I
contacts.
get more
Wait
than
now.
5,000
Wait
contacts
now.
for my phone.
Hold
and
on
most
now.
of them na
Would you
men.
calm
Wey wan
down?
Go down. They won't
Wait
fuck you.
now.
Sorry to say that
They won't fuck you. Very good. Very good. Uju, can you understand
And
me
if you
now?
leave them, they go chop you clean mouth. The
Run
next
away.
minute, that love when they prophesy for you, you know they
Finish.
They give the highest bidder.
Finish.
Now the problem is that
Finish.
see,
Ah, no go
Uju,
do ISB.
Uju,
I don't
Uju,
watch the walls of
Uju,
Nigeria.
Uju.
You didn't say na market you
Uju.
carry.
God bless you.
Market.
That's
Now you dey sell.
see. Now the now what you pushing that now? That's what you are pushing. That you are selling. You're selling a product. You are selling a product that the highest bidder should come buy.
Wetin dey mean?
See.
As you they
Oju.
carry your
You're
phone,
not
they give me
marketing.
Oju.
Make I carry
Oju.
my phone. I know they say
Oju.
my
Wait,
own
wait.
is charge.
Oju.
Oga.
Oju.
My own is not free.
Uju,
My
you're
market,
making
sir.
sense.
For your own na market.
Oju.
As you go see woman the first time, you go say,
Exactly,
"Hey,
you're not
I like
ashamed.
you.
You're not
I want
ashamed.
you to do
Exactly,
this. I
exactly.
want you to do that. I love you. All those love now when you enter bed.
Of course.
Once you don't enter bed, do
Oju.
Finish.
Oju.
The
Oju. Can I make my
So
point?
whether you ask,
Oju, can
whether
I make
you
my point?
monetize, whether you don't monetize,
Oju,
they will
see, listen, let me just quickly, let me quickly make my point,
Yeah.
The reason why I brought up this topic here, is because you girls think on the long run, monetizing this whole shit is for your favor because
It's not.
you hold on now, you stand a lot to gain. But let me be
stand
honest
to
with you.
gain a lot?
Hold on, yeah. Why I asked how many contacts you have, which are male, is different. You understand?
Okay.
Let's say you have 500 contacts that are male. I am personally sure at least 100 of those contacts are on your job. Not seriously wanting you for who you are, but wanting you for what you have. You get me? And when someone wants you for what you have, you don't expect anything serious from them.
Which is
Hold on.
98% of every
Charlton, when you're done, I also
today.
have something
1
to
minute.
say when
I'm
you're
still
done.
saying.
Yeah.
She said something. 98%
Even
of
99,
all 99%, 99.5%. I'm
99.5%.
using her stats.
Okay.
I'm using her stats. Yeah, 99.5% are after Hakuchi. You get me? You cannot.
No, but it's not. But no.
Hold on,
Every girl,
hold on now.
every
You
girl,
cannot,
every girl.
and I repeat this as a guy, you cannot get anything serious from any guy that can afford you or pay for your coochie.
That's a lie.
Take it or leave it.
That's a lie. No, but that's a lie, though.
Take it or leave it.
That's a lie.
Look for
That's
your
a
base.
lie.
We are gonna parade you as a
It's a
trophy
lie.
GF.
No, that's a lie.
Say you like it or not, they're gonna parade you as a trophy
that's a
girlfriend.
lie.
I want to put
Yeah,
this out.
please.
I want to put this out, yeah. I was in America 3 years ago, 2020, right? And while I was just taking a walk on the street, yeah. Then I saw an ambulance coming. An ambulance was coming. And the speed at which this ambulance was coming was great, you know. You know, because it's an ambulance, I usually beat the traffic. And then the ambulance came past and then parked in front of me. When I walked up to the ambulance, I saw a very pretty Oyibo girl.
Yeah.
Girl. Very pretty. She just came down from the ambulance. She was the one driving.
Okay.
She was not the one they were carrying in the back of the ambulance. She was the one driving.
The ambulance.
Yes, driving
Good
the
Lord.
ambulance. And I looked at her. I was so marveled. I swear to God, I was so thrilled. and
So
marveled.
hot. She's so hot
I
though.
looked at her. Then I had a flashback to my country. I said, a pretty, beautiful girl like this
Not possible.
took the job of an ambulance driver. Do you know what that means? That means girls in the Western states understands that they don't need to privatize their relationship, but rather they have to work to earn their own living.
No, but you can also
hold
earn
on,
your
hold on,
own-
hold
Glory,
on.
hold on.
They have
I'll
to
clear
work.
that as well.
Hold on. I told you I was going to clear your doubt.
Yeah.
They have to work to earn their own living. Now, that does not mean that they don't get into relationships.
Okay.
But
They do.
out there, do you know that a man and a woman goes out for
Or a date,
dinner
and
or
they
a
split
date,
the bill.
and
Who wants to
the
be
lady,
splitting
the
bill?
lady will
Nobody wants to
even
be splitting
insist
bill.
on paying the bill.
don't get.
The guy will say, "No, I'll pay the bill," and at the end of it,
I don't go keep quiet though. Una own don too much.
Una
Uche
dey-
get
Una
it.
own don too much.
Yeah, Glory gets
The
it.
that's why we come with allow una flex.
No,
Una
At the
feel
end of
una
the
birthright.
day, hold
It's
on.
not
At
your
the
no,
end of
birthright
nobody's
the-
no.
Listen now, so that people out there can
Okay,
understand what we're
alright,
saying.
okay.
At the end of the day, what I'm just trying to say here is this. Ladies in Nigeria, try as much as you can to have your own source of income aside your pussy
Hold on.
bank.
Ngwanu.
Aside your auto
Boss,
bank.
am I allowed to?
Get a source of income so that whatever you get from a man will be just an extra.
Extra!
Can I say-
You don't have
Can
to
I say-
monetize
You don't
your
wait. You don't get me.
relationship.
You don't wait to be in a
But can I
Can I
relationship.
say something?
Don't
Get
Can I
benefit
say
out of it.
anybody
Come on
make
now.
you think that
Don't do that.
you
Can I
have
say
to
something?
monetize your relationship
Can I say
or get into a
something?
relationship because of what you can get.
Okay, can I
No.
say
It
something?
gets a lot of ladies into trouble here in Nigeria.
Can I
It
say
does.
something?
Period.
Till today.
Okay, can
Till
I,
today.
let me say something. Let
Till
me say
today.
something. Me as a person, whatever, like I said earlier, whatever I'm gonna say from my own experience.
It might be a wrong experience.
It might be a very wrong perspective as well.
From day one, I've always worked hard as an independent woman.
Yes.
I've always paid my bills as a woman.
I've
never monetized my relationship until men taught me the hard way to do so.
Which one be the hard way?
What's the hard way?
To come into my life, pretend we are in a relationship, take away what I have and walk away.
What do you have? What do you have?
My pride is a woman.
Oh wow, what the fuck you saying? Are you a virgin? Were you a virgin when the guy met you? Are you a virgin? Were you a virgin when the guy met you? Are you a virgin when he met you? No! He's a lie. He's a lie. It's a lie.
Enjoying what? What do they enjoy? If I want to enjoy him, he has to come with financial benefits.
No, now. See, you dey talk. See, this one.
Especially when it has to do with men that say they love you. For me, when you love a woman,
a man can love you, and the next day the love can
you
fade.
guys can
there are
actually
issues can come up.
plan,
You see,
go on a
one
date.
problem with ladies these days is that you expect a man that loves you to love you forever.
But that isn't what love is. No, isn't that what love is?
Oh wow.
How you gonna talk that kind of
thing? Love is
during your own time, during my own mother's time,
Jesus
they know that you
Christ
can go do ta before they marry.
Yeah, right.
You they talk.
Yes.
But now man won't go do ta before. If the first day when they meet you, ta they
Who's
won't
to
do
blame?
before they marry.
Who is to blame?
Who is to blame?
Who is to blame?
No, who is to blame?
Who is to blame?
No, who are you
Let me ask
blaming?
you a question now.
Who are you
Let me
blaming?
make you. Who is to blame now for this thing she just said? Who is to blame?
Who is to
it the
blame?
male or the female?
Now,
No,
I blame the female.
Why?
You when
Why?
they go look for woman, why you
I
go look for?
Hold on now.
This is dirty.
The two of them.
If I don't
But
This is so
what I'm saying is that,
Uju, this is so personal to us.
this is
I
Because
swear,
for so long,
I'm
yeah,
telling you.
they dragged our ass.
Uju, these people, that people. Let's leave these people, that people outside of it, yeah? Uju,
I wish
we
listen
still
to
have
me.
time to argue about
Honestly, I wish
Uju,
you do
please.
too.
Uju, can you listen to me?
Charlton, we
You're
don't
not
have
listening to me now.
Charlton, nobody's listening to
I
you
wish
anymore.
that this
Why?
Because we're done.
podcast
Yes,
You don't want the truth?
No, we're going to.
You're running from the
No,
truth.
I'm
You
not.
see, that's
Charlton,
my problem with you girls.
No, I'm not.
You run from the truth
not
and you
running from
love
it.
it when
No,
guys
no,
lie
no,
to
no,
you.
no,
like to run from the
You love when guys
because
lie
I
to
don't
you,
like you.
but you hate to hear the truth.
Listen,
Listen, yeah? If I come to you now, point blank, and tell you, oh, girl, I'm married though, but I like you though.
Okay.
I want to fling with you though, but I don't want nothing
No
serious.
man go.
With the right price, boss, with the right price, I'm gonna get that. Hey, Uju, with the right price, with the right price,
And you know this is what
Guys,
they go carry relationship up. The one where they pay me pass be say
they don't break Uju her tire. I go on.
I need to talk about this, and they need to leave.
Omo, they don't break Uju my tire. Alpha.
To me.
we are going to do another episode.
This you went through is
No,
not
okay, you know what?
All Uju's personal experience is out of our
Okay, you know
jurisdiction.
what? Exactly.
Uju, whoever, hold on, please.
Let's do another part.
Before you run out there,
part two.
yeah?
Now we need to
Before,
round up.
sorry. Before we run up here,
Because this argument is not going
whoever, I don't care where you are in this world, as long as you are in this country called Nigeria, whoever you are, and you know my sister here, Uju, and you have mistakenly served her breakfast, my brother, nothing will go well for you. My brother,
We'll look for you.
you don't see where, because, guys, you thought
when
you
they
do
like
her.
me, they go they do anyhow. They go collect oh,
Please, let's round up, guys. Can we round up? Yes, you have.
I
And
need
you.
to my fellow girls
Okay, please.
to tie their pussy
Of course.
and
Keep it close.
intact.
Yes.
Any man that says hello until they say tie the knot.
Yes,
open up
exactly.
Unless love flash
Exactly.
money now.
You guys have
Unless
heard.
love
You
flash
guys have
At
heard.
least you flash money.
You
now.
guys have heard
Hey,
everything.
flash the money.
What is
At
that
least
thing
you
of-
collect money.
What
So
is the
wait,
solution?
there's a price tag. There's a price tag for being a girl.
You guys have heard. You
Most
guys
girl
have
will
heard.
agree with me that it's better you collect money than to be fucked without being paid.
It's better to fuck for free than to get money.
No,
Oh.
no, no. Okay, you know what? You know what? What
It's better to give up the poo poo. You don't have to give up the pum pum than to ask money for it, bro. Always give it out for free and wait for the right ones.
You guys have heard.
No follow hookup lifestyle. No follow hookup lifestyle. And this
You
is
guys
the
have
end.
heard everything that has been said on the podcast. I hope that you learn. Learn from our legend. Learn from the beautiful Uju. Learn from Charlton.
There's so much to learn from me though. There's so much to learn from me. There's so much to learn from me. Do not give out your pum pum for sale.
Whatever.
I'm talking to you,
Charlton,
girls.
allow me.
I'm talking to you, ladies.
Are you a girl? Why you
Charlton,
gonna
don't
talk
mind
to
me.
me?
Thank you so much, guys. Thank
Give
you.
it out for free. And you see on Mr. Right when you do that.
Charlton, really? Charlton, really?
My word is my bond. Give it out for free. If you don't see Mr. Right, come back here and hold me
Thank you so
responsible.
much, guys, for being on the show with us today.
Thank you.
I still remain your host, Gloria Zegar, and I still have the legendary Labista and the very yes, and the very beautiful Uju. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for being.
But Glory, seriously.
But
Yes,
Glory,
yes.
this is the second time.
Okay.
This is the second time you are doing this.
Okay. No.
This is the second time you are doing
And
this.
nobody should
Gloria,
play you,
Gloria, Gloria, Gloria,
That's the
I'm not
spirit.
Gloria,
That's
Gloria.
the
This is the
spirit.
second time you are doing it.
That
You
is
introduce
the
everybody
Okay.
and leaving me out of it.
Charlton, I
This
was
is
getting
the second time you're doing
okay,
this.
You know what? Sorry, guys.
I'm holding you this very
Okay,
personal.
next time I'll do. I'm sorry. So, guys, thank you so much for being on the show.
You
with
still
us
want to
today.
end it without introducing me?
Charlton, I will. Can you
Do
give
that
me-
now.
Let me breathe. Okay, so we have Charlton here on the show.
Oh, shouting, huh? I don't understand.
Charlton.
That sounds so bare.
The very troublesome Charlton
like
here
that.
on the show. So thank you so much, guys, for being on the show with us. See you next time. Please like, comment, share, subscribe.
And give
So-
out your pum pum for freedom.
Please, we don't take your love over
Please,
for
guys,
granted.
don't ever
trust
do
me.
that.
We don't take your love for
If
granted.
they have not made the sacrifice to
Wow.
prove your love, their love for you,
Yes.
don't
Omo.
ever go.
All
down.
those
You
love
must prove that
are
you
lies.
Say
Okay.
no to
All
pum
those
pum
love
for sale.
are
Say
lies.
no to
Bye, guys.
Osho
See you
free.
next time, guys.
Osho
Say yes to Osho free for true love.
Say no to
Bye, guys.
Osho
See you
free.
next time.